Download and register Ttlock application. This is Apple iPhone. Go to the App Store. Search Ttlock. And this is a Ttlock. Get. Open. WLAN cellular. This one. Touch. And touch agree. And also you need to touch register here, and you can choose register by email or register by phone. If you register by phone, choose your country. Look, all the countries in the list. I choose China. So enter your smartphone number and enter the password. The password should be combined with character, with letter, and with digit. Letter AA, small b, small c, and the digit 1, 2, 3, and character 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's big A, small b, small c, 1, 2, 3, and this character. So now the password set it successfully, and now get code. Here the phone number already, because I already registered, so now you know how to set the password. Okay, now go back to login. It should allow, look, when you log in you should allow everything, allow. And now you need to go to the settings and go to find the application. You need to give all the permission, Bluetooth, local network, Siri. Okay, all the permission give to the application. This is step of registering the Ttlock application.